Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how we set up the Java JDK. Okay. So now let me show you. So first of all, we will just search JDK on Google. Like if I want to install 11, so then we need to search Java JDK 11 down. Okay. So you can see I'm getting here first link. You can click on this link and this will redirect to an oracle.com site. And if I scroll down, so we can get here multiple installer of different type of OS. Like we have Linux installer, we have Mac installer, also we have Windows installer, right? So now I'm going to download and set up this on Windows machine. Okay, so we can get here this is 64-bit machine, so we need to download this 64-bit installer. Okay, click on this and then click on this checkbox and click on download. So once if I click on download, then it will redirect on the Oracle login page. So if you have account, you can create login here, and if you don't have account, go to and create like sign up. After creation created the account, you need to log in again, and that will start the downloading the corresponding JDK. Similar type, if you want to download and install the other Java version, just search the corresponding Java version. Like suppose that if I want to install the Java JDK 1.8, right? So we need to search this, go to the link, this will redirect on the Oracle site, and here you can same links, you will found the details of the all the installer of a Java 8. You can select the installer what you want. Like suppose that I want to download the 64-bit installer, we need to click on this. Okay, once the download is complete, it will again redirect to the login page of the Oracle. You need to create the account if you don't have, and if you have account, just log in the Oracle. It will automatically download and at your local system. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so now let's start installing this. So now we have a Java JDK. Okay, so let me install this. Click on yes, go click on next. I'm choosing here the default location of the installation path. Okay, click on next. Okay, it will open the Java doc on your browser. Click on close button. Java 11 JDK had been installed successfully. Now go to your folder. Here you will see in program file there is Java. Okay, so by default Java JDK is installed here. Once Java is installed successfully, then we need to go and set up the Java path in system environment variable. Why we require to set up? Because if we run the Java command from the terminal or from anywhere, then Windows will not able to identify Java command. Like if I run, you can see Java is not recognized as internal or external command, right? So Windows has two type commands. One is external, which is internal, which is inbuilt with the OS. Second is external command. So if internal command is not found, then it will check external. So for external commands, we need to set up the Java or any other software path in a environment variable. So now this is Java, so I need to set up this Java JDK home path, right? This path we need to copy here, and we need to set up in the environment variable. So let me show you how we set up the this path into environment variable. We need to right click here. Okay, click on the properties, click on the advanced system setting, then click on environment variable. Okay, now here first click on the new. We can set up the user variable as well as the system variable. If we are going to set up the system variable, then this path will be available for all the users. Okay, click on OK. So first I need to set up the Java home path. Then I need to select the path variable. Click on edit, click on new, and then here we need to set up the path till the bin folder of Java. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, okay. So now our system Java path has been set up in the system environment variable. If you go and check again, we will get the Java version. Okay. So now here you can see if you have already opened the terminal and you will check Java version, you will not get the commands, right? So what you need to do, you need to close this any terminals which we have opened before Java path setup. So we need to close that. Open the fresh command prompt. Now run the Java version. Now you can see I am getting Java version 11 point something. So now here Java is set up in the system variable. We can run any Java programs, any Java software. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.